Hi, this video shows you how to install eFootball mobile on your Android device with ease, even if you are completely new to the game. Before getting started, check that your phone meets the basic requirements. You should have at least 3 to 5 GB of free storage space available to accommodate the game files and future updates. For the best experience, your device should be running Android 10 or a later version, ensuring smoother performance and compatibility. Next, open the Google Play Store on your device. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type eFootball and press the search icon. Look for the official version of the game published by Konami to avoid downloading unofficial copies. Once you find it, tap the install button and wait while the game downloads and installs. The process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation is complete, tap open to launch the game for the first time. eFootball may prompt you to download additional in-game assets, so make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have sufficient mobile data. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your preferred settings, sign in or create an account, and complete the initial setup. That's it. eFootball Mobile is now installed on your Android device. Complete the initial setup, update game data if prompted, and jump onto the pitch to start your football journey and enjoy the action.